Good morning, guys. It's our day 2 in Mirissa, but day 6 in Sri Lanka, and we are planning to go to the Mirissa beach and the Parrot Rock. The Parrot Rock is like a rock in the middle, not in the middle, a bit away from the beach, and you can go there only during the low tides. Otherwise, the land connecting the rock and the beach is submerged in water, so you can't really go there during high tides. So, let's see whether we can go or not, but the views from up there is really cool. I saw it in the pictures. Now I'll get to see it in real life. So let's go. So we are currently on our way to the Parrot Rock, and we are actually walking by the beach, and there are rocks, but you can actually walk from here. Just look at the view, guys. So we have come only halfway up till the Parrot Rock. We came from there over the rocks, and then we have to go all the way up to there. So it's quite the scenic route. So today was all about Mirissa. We went to the Mirissa beach, and I'm telling you, it's something that you should definitely do because the beach has a long stretch of clean sand, and you can simply take a something like a cocktail or a mocktail or even the king coconuts, which are like super delicious. You should definitely try them out and spend your day entirely on the beach. The beach is really pretty and peaceful, and it's not overcrowded. You'll find tourists, but it's not anything like in India that the beach is so crowded that you don't even have a place to set your foot in. It's not like that. There are people, but the beach is so long that you'll not feel that it's crowded or jam packed with tourists. The waves are strong, but the water feels really good and it's completely clean. There's a nice turquoise color to the water, and we really enjoyed ourselves today. And we really got some super tan, as you can see. I don't know whether you can see. So that's that. And tomorrow we are leaving for Tangol, and I hope that's the correct pronunciation because I'm not so sure about it. And tomorrow morning we are going to go to the coconut tree hill and give it a shot because last day it was super crowded and we didn't really get any good pictures. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till then, bye bye.